Okay, well, it was definitely a wet afternoon for us as rain made its way throughout the region. Sometimes it was heavy, but as we head on into the evening, more of those scattered light showers will be in place, maybe even a few more of them as we head on into the day tomorrow before eventually coming to an end heading into Saturday morning. But let's take a look at our numbers from yesterday. You can see high temperatures were in the lower 70s, which were actually below average for this time of the year. Our low, well, that was at 61 yesterday morning, which is just a tad above average for this time of the year. So the clouds and the rain did hold things down for us just a bit as we made our way yesterday into the day. But today we definitely saw more of those clouds and rain in place, but that didn't really hurt temperatures too bad. Lower 80s showed up in Marquette at 83. Munising 82 down in Escanaba and 70s across the Keweenaw Peninsula. Looking at your winds right now, you can see that they're coming in from the northeast 14 in Houghton, 8 in Munising, while at 5 in Ironwood and in Iron Mountain at 5 miles per hour out of the southeast. Well, for tonight, yes, that rainy type of feel to the air, those rainy conditions will continue for us, and that muggy type of feel to the air will still be around for us. Now, kind of cooling off heading into the day, especially as you go farther north. The farther south you go, probably holding on to that warmth just one more day before all of us will see the cooler air in place heading on into Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures only expected to be mostly in the 70s, maybe even a few of us only topping off in the upper 60s. A look at our setup. Low pressure working its way through the Great Lakes brought some showers and thunderstorms throughout the region today, but as we head on into tomorrow, most of that should be off to our south. Maybe a few of those lighter showers in place, but for the most part, we do look to remain not quite as wet as what we did see earlier today. Not expecting any of those heavier showers to be in place. And yeah, on into the beginning of the weekend, Saturday morning, a slight chance of rain will be in place, but that gets out of here quickly. Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, we begin to quiet down. We'll see more of this cooler air mass in place, and that will linger on into our Sunday, and maybe even seeing more of that into Monday. Here's a look at your futurecast model. This evening does look to be a bit wet out there. Some scattered light showers, more of the same into tomorrow. By tomorrow night, expecting that the in and out showers remain in place, and maybe even on into Saturday morning. There goes that last gasp of the rain. Afterwards, we do start to see things quiet down. We'll notice that by Saturday night, our numbers will dip down into the lower 50s, a bit on the milder side from where we have been as of recent, and we'll see more of the same as we go on into Sunday. Tonight, we'll dip down to 64. Showers and storms, they do linger on for us. Winds out of the west between 5 to 10 miles per hour. On into Friday, the cooler air will be in place. More of the rain also. Winds out of the north-northeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Highs in the upper 70s in Lawrence at 77, 76 in Noggin, lower 80s showing up in Florence and in Iron Mountain. Escanaba topping off at 82. Manistee seeing that same number in Munising. Well, we'll top off at 80 degrees. For your day planner, our numbers will be right around those upper 70s here in Marquette. The thunderstorm activity really dying off by tomorrow afternoon, and probably shouldn't see anything when in terms of thunderstorms tomorrow night, but the light showers will still remain around the region. Your forecast over the next 7 days: rain on Friday, Saturday, maybe a slight chance of an AM shower, but afterwards seeing things quiet down for us. More of the sunshine on the way as we head later on into the day there, and expecting a mix of sun and clouds heading on into Sunday with a high of 73. Now Monday looks to be not too much different from what we'll see on Sunday, and probably a bit more of that sunshine in place with highs reaching the middle 70s, getting closer to that 80-degree mark by Tuesday at 79. More, pretty much the same day as we get on into Wednesday also, before we'll sneak back into that 80-degree mark heading into next Thursday with lows in the upper 50s.